A very good morning to all of you. Hope you and your family are safe. Dear student, welcome back to the online classes. Hope you have completed your holiday homework properly. Children, your periodic test is coming soon. That's why we are going to revise all the chapter which I have taught earlier, one by one. So let's start today's class. This is your computer book, Computer in Action. Hope that everyone is purchased it. It is your first chapter, Introduction to Computer. In this chapter, we will learn computer a smart machine, computer versus man, types of computer. So let's start. First topic, computer a smart machine. Computer is electronic machine that works very fast. You know, computer is a machine which works very fast, right? You can also say that computer is an electronic machine which takes input from the user, process on these inputs, and after processing it gives the result to the user at a very fast. It is used at many places. Nowadays computer are used different places. Each and every places computer are used. What is the use of computer? Let's see. It can be used to watch cartoons and movies. You can watch your favorite cartoons and movies on the computer. Make drawings. You can also make drawings on the computer at home or at school. Type letters and stories. You can also type letter, word, sentence, stories, poem, whatever you want to write, you can type on the computer. Solve sums. You can also solve your mathematical problem with the help of computer. Play games. You play games on the computer, right? Children, in activity zone, in this activity you can find 5 uses of computer. So it is your homework. Complete this grid, right? Now, computer versus man. Computer are one of the greatest wonders created by man. It is a wonderful machine, but it cannot work on its own. So what is the difference between computers and man? Let's see one by one. Computer can work very fast. It can perform a large number of calculation in a second. Computer can work very fast. It calculates millions of instructions in a second, right? It can perform lots of things, lots of work at a very short time, in a very short time. But man cannot work as fast as computer. It means that computer is faster than man. A computer does not get tired. It can keep working for long hours. Man gets tired if he works for long hours. Means computer never get tired. Computer can work from morning to night without tired. But a man gets tired if he works for long hours. If you study for long hours, you feel tired, but computer never feel tired. A computer can store lots of information in its memory. Man may forget things. Computer store lots of information in its memory, and you can access these information at any time. Man can also store information, but for very short period. After some times man forget things, right? A computer does not make mistakes. It gives correct results. Man can make mistakes. Computer never make mistakes. Computer gives accurate result always, but a man make mistakes, right? A computer does not get bored of doing the same work many times. Man gets bored if he does the same work many times. Means computer never bored if he works same task, same work again and again. It never bored. But man's get bored if you play same game again and again. After some time you get bored, right? The computer never get bored, man bored. A computer cannot think and does not have any feelings. Man can think and has feelings. Computer have no feelings. Computer never feel cold, hot, etc. But man feels cold, hot, right? Computer cannot take decision. It works according to the instruction given by man. But man can take decision. Computer have no brain. It works only user instruction. Man give instruction, then computer works. But a man don't need instruction. A computer runs on electricity. Man does not need electricity for doing work. Computer need electricity to run. If there is no electricity, computer is not working. But man can work without electricity, right? Practice zone. It is your homework. Take the correct option, right? Right? Okay. Thank you.